Welcome back to Helper. Today we're exploring CARFI, the CARFI Network Token, a cryptocurrency coin with a focus on real-world assets, or RWAs, and its presence on the MEXC Global Exchange and Launchpad protocol. We aim to provide an understanding of CARFI and how to acquire it. So what exactly is CARFI Network Token? It's a digital asset that serves a specific utility within its own CARFI network ecosystem, playing a role in decentralized finance, also known as DeFi. ARFI is closely related to real-world assets, or RWAs. Real-world assets are tangible items, and CARFI tokenizes or integrates with these RWAs. Tokenizing RWAs brings benefits like increased liquidity and fractional ownership, making assets more accessible. Examples of RWAs potentially linked to CARFI could include real estate, commodities, or even intellectual property. MEXC Global plays a significant role in the CARFI ecosystem, as it is a cryptocurrency exchange where CARFI is available. You may find special features or promotions related to CARFI on MEXC. The CARFI Launchpad protocol is used for initial DX offerings, or IDOs, and new project launches. CARFI token holders can participate in the Launchpad, gaining potential benefits from early access to promising projects. Owning CARFI on MEXC Global involves a few simple steps. First, you'll need to create an account on MEXC Global. Next, complete the KYC, or Know Your Customer, verification process. Then, deposit funds, like USDT, to your MEXC account. Navigate to the CARFI/USDT trading pair and place a buy order, choosing between a market or limit order. Finally, confirm the transaction to complete your purchase. ARFI utilizes a specific blockchain technology, providing benefits like scalability and security. The CARFI network may also include unique technological features that distinguish it from other blockchain projects. Here are several potential benefits to holding CARFI tokens, including participation in the Launchpad protocol, the potential for staking rewards, governance rights if applicable, and exposure to the growing world of RWA integration. It's crucial to acknowledge the risks associated with investing in cryptocurrencies, including market volatility, project-specific risks, and regulatory uncertainty. Always do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency. In conclusion, CARFI Network Token offers a unique approach to connecting cryptocurrency with real-world assets. Remember to conduct thorough research and exercise due diligence before making any investment decisions. Check official CARFI resources, like their website, and social media for the most up-to-date information. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Helper.